Hi, I would like to share a few words of appreciation about Smita Kapoor from KelpHR. HR. My name is Sangeeta, and I have worked with Smita for the past couple of years. She has come to my organization for training sessions for line managers as well as for employees. She has been very effective, and one of the main reasons why her sessions are so meaningful is the way she connects with people. She makes a topic as serious as the prevention of sexual harassment at the workplace very easy to relate to through the examples that she gives and the kind of real life case studies that she presents to us. At the same time, she uses a lot of humor, so it doesn't become a topic which somebody has to really analyze. It becomes very easy to break it down into things which you can take back to the workplace. She's very open to suggestions and feedback as well, and she's very curious to know what we are doing in our respective organizations. So I would like to wish Smita as well as Kelp HR all the best in everything that they do, and thank you for all the value add that they've given to me and my organization.